Hi everyone. So in this video here, I'm gonna explain if you have the brake calipers where the pads are being stuck on the rim. I'm gonna explain to you a couple of issues that I solved this problem by replacing a couple of things here and there. Let's get into this video. So if you look over here, you do have these springs which will push the calipers out. So usually this is not going to be your problem to eliminate these from the get-go. What I usually have noticed over here as I inspect the cables and the calipers, you see over here, this thing over here is fairly firm. You see, it sits on it fairly firm there. You see what I'm talking about? This thing here. Now, here is the problem. If you do have the inner cable that has the cracks in it, watch what happens. Watch what happens. Let's get things to focus. As I apply the brake here, so we're gonna apply the brake. And look here. Now, here is the problem. If you do have the cable here that has a cracks and that small wires are popping out, just like that one, like there's a pinching wires here and there, this cable here will get stuck onto this. You see this rubber cone here, and as they get stuck like this, the caliper is not going to release. So now over here, if you look over here, I'm going to show you. See, it's releasing nicely over here as I apply the brakes. But if you have a problem, if you have a lousy cable here, which I replaced on this bike, it's gonna cause you to stop right here. So the caliper is gonna kind of wedge in here, get stuck, and your brakes are gonna get stuck. Your pads are gonna be stucking onto this rim here. So if you have this issue, the first thing that I would do, replace the new cable like I've done here, and lubricate the cable as well. Put some oil in there, and that's gonna get your calipers to run smoothly and very efficiently. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.